Hey everybody, today I want to talk about how you can find coins worth hundreds of dollars in the pocket change that you handle every day. Um, what I'm showing now is a couple of 1972 pennies, but these aren't just normal pennies. These are a special variety called a double die. And what happened is when these pennies were made, the actual die that was used to produce them had pretty much a double imprint on it. In the process of manufacturing that die, it was pretty much pressed into the Lincoln cent design twice, um, at a couple degree offset between the first and the second time it got pressed in, and the result is big chunks of the design here are doubled. So you can see the date, the word liberty, and the words in God we trust are really clearly doubled up top. And this is a type of coin that collectors will pay a lot of money for. You can see the back side of this coin, called the reverse, is just looks like a normal penny from the 1970s. So nothing special going on the reverse. But in this sort of condition where the coins look kind of newish, these are worth $300-400 each sometimes. When these coins are a little bit more circulated, they can be worth $150, $200, $250. And this is a type of variety that you can find. You don't need any sort of magnifying glass, really, or microscope. It's the sort of thing that you can see with the naked eye. So absolutely, check the pennies that you get in your everyday pocket change. You might find something that's worth a whole lot more than just a cent, and you can go and sell it on eBay or something like that. You can see here, this is what the doubling looks like on In God We Trust, on the word Liberty, that's right next to Lincoln's profile, and then on the 1972, where you can really clearly see that doubled effect. So good luck, guys. Hope you find some, and yeah, have a great day.